Okay. Look at the sunshine. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. Look at my hair. And beautiful sunshine. And I want to do a little bit of silliness. The sunshine is good. So I want to do an outfit of the day. And new things. Look at it. I just bought it. Let me take it off. Yeah. So since my family, my husband give me this pair of shoes, it's a free shoe. It's a company's free gift, and I start to try to find. I search online what is the styling for this kind of leisure shoes, and so I bought these pants. You will see. Okay, you can see from a little bit down. Okay, so another thing I want to tell you, when you get old, your muscle become much loose, and if you do not pay attention, the belly will come out like this. This is our natural state, and you want to be a little bit folding. So from time to time, we need to pay attention to ourselves. Okay, I think this is good. Okay, bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Goodbye, bye.